Hi, everyone. Hope you are all doing really well as we enter this week. So we've been practicing frequencies and crosstabs. And this is going to be a shorter recording because all I want you to do today is practice continuing to practice running 5 frequencies and 5 crosstabs, and then emailing me that's SPSS output. That's all I want you to do today. So today, all I'm going to show you is how to really easily and quickly have that output and download that output, export it to Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Word. So it'll be easier for you, and it'll be really a whole lot easier for your assignment, your quantitative research assignment as well. So all this will just be a big help to you. So again, today, that's all I want you to do is run 5 frequencies and 5 cross tabulations. We already practiced descriptives. We practiced cross tabulations. So I want you to again, run 5 frequency analyses, run 5 crosstab analyses, and then export that preferably into Excel, and then send me that. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So I'm going to just share my entire screen, desktop there. I'm going to pull up SPSS. There you go. This is the example data set you've been using for practicing this, and it's the data set that you're going to use for your assignment. So it all is just in this one place. So I'm going to, again, run a frequency and crosstab and then export. Again, I want you to do 5 of each, so 10 total. And again, on the Moodle page is a more in-depth and walkthrough of each, how to run a frequency, how to run a crosstab. So I'm going to go through it quickly because I just want to show you how to export that output. So let's just run a frequency real quick. Let's do that one. So my company actively supports diversity and its diverse employees. Let's do that. And we're going to go up to the statistics tab, make sure that mean, median, and mode is selected. Continue. Let's run that guy. Here's the output. Let's make that a bit bigger. All right. So here's our output of our basic frequency analysis. You got our mean score, our median, our mode, and we have everything we need there. Great. Let's go run another analysis quick. Let's run a crosstab. So again, go to descriptive statistics. Let's do a crosstab by sexuality, like I had up there. Remember the demographic variable, let's go in the row there. And then let's, for our core content question for the column, let's do, I feel like I belong at my company. All right. Now we're going to go up to the right-hand side and click cells because we want to make sure that under counts, observed is selected, and under percentages, row and total are both selected. Okay. Let's run that crosstab. There we go. Our crosstab has appeared to us. So now that we have this crosstab identified and run and the frequency, I want you to export this now. How are you going to feasibly send it? So there is a way where you could just copy this, maybe paste it into a Word doc, but I want to show you a better way. So I want to highlight this for you. Make that a little bigger. In this upper left-hand component, you see there's, let me draw this as well. So it's extra easier. Right up here. You see there's output, frequencies, crosstabs. You can see all that is categorized down here. And I really, what I want you to pay attention to is this part right here, this output piece. So here's why. You can actually click on that little arrow and minimize it all. You can minimize just the crosstab or just the frequency. You can play around in there. But I want you to click on the word output. And it highlights everything in your output that you just ran. Now I want you to double click or, I want you to right click. So right click on this. So again, highlight all of it, right click, and then scroll down to export. Click export. Now under document type, you can see Excel, or you can go down to a Word doc. I recommend Excel, and I'll just show you what that looks like right here. Now don't click OK yet. Click this browse button by file name. Click browse. And this is where you're going to save where your output's going to actually export to. So I'm just going to do it under downloads, and I'm going to title it example frequencies and crosstabs. And then I'll put the date 2.17.25. So February 17th, 2025. I'm going to click save. And so now we know that that's where it's going to export to. Now you can click that OK button. So you click OK. All right. Now that progress bar is done, it just exported. Let's go to our computer. Let's go to downloads. So under downloads, there we go. Example frequencies and crosstabs, 217.25. Click that, open. So it's going to open as an Excel document. I'll show you what that looks like here once that opens. All right. Make this a little bigger. And our output is exported so nicely right there. We have our frequency that's exported, and we have our crosstab that's been exported as well. And then you can examine it that way. And you can literally just send me this spreadsheet, just exactly like this. Easy enough, just exactly like this. You can send me this spreadsheet. So that's the easiest way to go about exporting your output. I would recommend doing the same thing for your assignment. You could even download it as Excel and then upload that Excel document to Google Drive and share with me as a Google spreadsheet. Let's say you don't have Excel or Word on your computer. You can do the same thing. You can still export it as those things, as those files, and then upload that to Google and use it as a Google form or Sheets or whatever that makes the most sense is going to be easiest for you. So that's all I've got today. I just wanted to show you how to export that. So again, refer to the walkthrough video for the frequencies and crosstabs and how to run those in SPSS. But other than that, for today, that's all I have. And make sure you practice 5 frequencies and 5 crosstabs and send those to me. You can send just via email. It's going to be easiest if you just export into Excel or Word. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate it.